real smoke, get your vaping on. Egg rice, turkey bacon on. Ain't in a restaurant, but I'm the bitch they been waiting on.
The morning routine was he would talk. So I worked at Georgia State Patrol. And I said this in a previous video, but again, there were things I said in previous videos that I remember saying, hey, remember that because it's going to come back later. How those phone calls went. But he would call me every day from work.
I'm so invested in this. It's crazy, y'all. Y'all, I'm watching
he was perfectly
this lady
fine in the beginning with the fact that I worked for Georgia State Patrol. He had been to my office before. He had met some of my...
Welcome back to my channel. Don't mind the little pump right there. But today is a spend a day with me. It's at 1:43 right now though, so spend half the day with me because the morning I was getting some work done and I still have more work to do. I uploaded my YouTube video. It's the Jamaica vlog. You can check it out. Go check it out. Thumbnail eating down. I just dropped it. Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna see y'all at the next thing that we do. Okay, now I'm about to study. I wanted y'all to see like my work routine and stuff, but I already knocked some of my work out earlier before I started recording. So now I'm about to study for my state board. So it's the esthetician app from the New York City exam. I'm about to play some study music because that be helping me, and we're gonna do this for like an hour. So I'm just gonna type study music.
I be so sick of you niggas, that contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, said when you around me. Treat me like corduroy, baby, I'm arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts, I can't keep no conflict with you, boy, can we just rub it out? I don't want no sex.
Alright y'all, so I'm done studying. Like, I'm ready to take a nap. Like at this point, like it's 4:35. Like, oh, I've been up since 4 in the morning. So I think next we're gonna go to the supermarket. I need to go outside and get out the house and get some fresh air. And I'll probably link up with my friends. So we're gonna see, y'all. We're gonna see.
Alright, now let's go into part 18. Part 18, who the fuck did I marry? So
you know you my thug and I can't shake this habit, no. I've been out, baby, reminiscing. Baby, I'm missing. I wish it was different than what it was. I've been out, baby. No,
I think I'm crazy the way I'm...
Okay, y'all. So right now I want to meal prep. So yeah, I think I'm gonna make some curry chicken. I think I'm gonna make some curry chicken today. So yeah, let's do it.
you ain't just choo-choo getting money too.
I'm finna.
Now you know you fine, though. Now you know you fine.
Y'all, the camera had cut off when I was cleaning it, the chicken and everything. So I done cleaned everything, put some seasoning. It's the last season that's going on here. My curry. My camera's kind of broke, so I'm like trying to see. It's my favorite curry. I've been using this curry for years. Like, really though. Some pimento seed. He said, you ain't keeping pee? Okay, bet. Stand on that. I already know this cover's gonna be so good. It's gonna be so good. Now I'm gonna rub all that up.
And if you wonder if I hate you, I do. City of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, fuck you. City of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. Use me
Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm about to put it in the fridge to marinate a little bit.
So a lot of money, baby, we be doing that weekly. In a secret, I'm so official, they get referee, ain't knowing. Black gun, white